Hello, my name is Markov Yuri. Today, I will talk about the farting sound effect from Espion Jaws. It's from a video called Comes Open, Dash a Fart, Out of Gas, 13++. Re-upload? Question mark. It was uploaded on August 17th. The sound length from this video is 0:16 to 0:39. The low theme music will be removed at the end. This sound is only used when I poop in. Wait. Before I go to the bathroom, I will show you this sound effect. It sounds like this. See? This is how the farting sound effect from Espion Jaws sounds like. Now, I'm gonna poop in the toilet by testing this sound. Ooh. Ow. Gah. Here comes a big one. That feels so nice. Make sure you use this sound effect for your bathroom break videos, okay?